Hey, Daveda here, and welcome to my channel, the #1 place for women to come for tips and tricks and insight on healthy aging and wholeness inside and out. And today I'm gonna share with you the top 7 reasons why I love what I do and how they might be able to help you as well. If you are looking for additional income, if you're looking for a way to stay home with your babies, if you need to make a car payment, or if you want to go on trips or vacations, or if you just need to connect with a group of women and have something of your own, stick around and keep watching because this video is just for you. I've always been a little entrepreneurial at heart. I've done a lot of different businesses in the past. I've had a photography business, I was in ministry, I did traveling and speaking, I've written a book, and I have also been involved with several multi-level marketing companies. Now, while I believe in the structure of multi-level marketing, I always had a hard time getting past a certain point with any business that I tried. So about 3 years ago, I found myself in a really difficult situation financially. My husband and I had always been those people that we thought we did the right thing, right? We saved, we planned for the future, and we had some things happen like back to back that pulled the rug right out from underneath of us, and we found ourselves staring down the face of bankruptcy. So it was a really difficult time for us financially. And I was invited to take a look at this business 3 times, said no, I got something, I'm doing something. I couldn't wrap my head around how it could possibly be different. And to be completely honest, I thought, it's freaking shampoo, like, right? So eventually the wheels in my head started spinning, and I went to my husband and I said, I think I want to sell shampoo. Like, I think I want to sell shampoo. And he was supportive, and he said, okay, babe, but if you're gonna do this, like, you have to make money at it, or you're gonna have to get some other kind of a job that has like measurable income. Now, just to give you an idea of like where we were financially, I would go to the grocery store and go through the self-pay line just so that I wouldn't be embarrassed if my card got declined. It was bad. Like, we didn't go places with people because we didn't have the gas money to get there, let alone whatever it would cost to have dinner or go to the movies or whatever it was. So desperate times sometimes call for different actions. So I jumped in with 2 feet and started running, and all I can say is I've never looked back, and I have never regretted the decision to do something different. So the #1 reason why I believe in and love what I do is, first and foremost, the company. Not all companies are created equal, and I don't say that in a bad type of a way, because I feel like every company has a little bit something different, and each person is looking for something a little bit different, right? So for me, this completely lined up with everything I was looking for. So first and foremost, it's family owned and operated, and you can feel that family feeling from the top all the way down. And it's the first time, I know that I've always heard that in my past experiences, but this was the first time I ever truly felt that in a company. It's the only company in the network marketing industry within that space that specializes in hair care. Yes, there are other companies that have hair care, but this is the only company that focuses solely on hair care. And that gives you an advantage of being able to offer something that you will not find anyplace else. And because it's a network marketing structure, the money that would go into like marketing and getting the word out there actually goes into the innovation and the science, as well as into finding the absolute best, purest ingredients to put into the products. And I don't know about you, but for me, that just means a whole lot to know that I can stand behind and feel really, really good about the product that I'm aligning myself with and that I am collaborating with in order to build a business together. We're also going global. We started in the United States and added Canada, the United Kingdom, Ireland and Poland, and there is more to come. They're adding more countries all the time, and according to Forbes, that is a really smart move on the part of someone looking to lock arms with a company, is to be with a company that is going global. And with social media the way that it is now, you can truly build a business across the globe. While I don't necessarily have any international teams yet, I do have teams in several states across the United States, and it's really cool all the different kinds of people you get to meet online when your company is global, and you get to talk to so many different kinds of people from different walks of life and different cultures. And I find that it's really fun. It makes what we do so much fun. The second reason why I absolutely love what I do and think you might love it too is the product. The product is one of a kind. It is patent pending technology, scientific innovation, and you will not find this exact product anyplace else on the market today. What I love about the product is that it focuses on giving you a healthy scalp. Now, when your scalp is healthy, your hair is going to be healthy, and healthy hair styles faster, it dries faster, it grows faster, it's shinier, it's longer, it's fuller, it's more manageable. It's good for every single hair type out there, and it's also hair type and problem specific. So it's not one size fits all. So we get to work with our customers to help them choose what is going to be the best fit for them, and the company gives us the tools to be able to do that and to do it easily and effectively. So the product is one of a kind. Nobody else has it. It's vegan, it's gluten-free, there's no toxins or harsh chemicals, and there's a whole list of no-nos that you will never find in Monat products anywhere. There are over 1 million VIPs in our VIP customer program, happy VIPs that continue to order the product time after time after time. And we are also the #1 hair care brand in all of North America in less than 5 years. And that is pretty stinking exciting. The third reason why I love what I do and think you might love it too is that Monat's scientific advisory board is off the charts. They have gone to great lengths to seek out experts that can truly help them continue to provide quality products to their consumers that meet the standard, the very high standard that they have set for the company. And I'm not going to go over all of them, but I will put a link below that you can check out that page if that's something of importance to you. But just to highlight a couple, first is our chemist, Jamie Ross. Jamie Ross is a world-renowned chemist, and he has come from being the chairman of the science of cosmetic chemistry to being exclusively with Monat. He's also the co-inventor of the scent strips that you find in magazines. The second person I want to tell you about is Dr. Anatella Toasty. She is a scalp and hair expert, and she is also on the scientific advisory board. Now, she found the science and the effectiveness of Monat so incredibly impressive that it was presented at the Hair Congress this past year in Barcelona. And so Monat has recognition for safety and effectiveness from the Hair Congress. You know that when you get names like this attaching their reputation to the company, you have found something that is good to be a part of. The fourth reason that I love what I do and think you might love it too are the trips. We get to go on free trips, and they make these trips so incredibly achievable. When I first started with the company, I was able to earn a trip to Vegas like pretty quickly. It was just the right timing. Like I had just started, they announced the trip, and I love to travel, something we had not been able to do for many, many years. And because of this company, my husband and I have been to Vegas twice. We're about to go for a third time. We've been on a Bermuda cruise. We've been to the Bahamas, Cancun, all of these all of these wonderful places that we've gotten to go for free. And also when your team gets to go, it is so fun to get to do these things together. And for me, like on a personal note, my husband has always been so supportive and he's such a good provider. It felt really, really good for me to be able to do something like this for him. And I know the guys at work were like, wait, what? Your wife is taking you to the Bahamas from selling shampoo? So it just felt really good to be able to do something and give back to him and give him something that we can enjoy together. And they go all out. They spare no expense. They treat us like royalty, and it is an experience like nothing else. Reason number 5 why I love what I do and think you might love it too is this product is consumable. What that means is you are going to create residual income. That is something that you do once and you continue to get paid on it over and over and over again. I still have customers from the first month that I started that still order. And since then, we have also added a really wonderful line of non-toxic skincare to our routine. So not only do we get people who are consuming the hair care, but now they're also consuming the skincare. So residual income is something that you continue to get paid on time after time after time after time. If you're looking for a business opportunity, something consumable is going to pay you over and over and over again. Reason number 6 why I love my business, and I think you might love it too, is the comp plan. So the company average, they average across the board in the industry, not the company average, the industry average is 20 to 30% that gets paid back into the comp plan, and Monat very generously pays us 50%. They pay 50% back into the comp plan. So it's a very generous comp plan. We get paid multiple ways. We get paid 5 times a month. We have no minimums, no quotas. There is a car program, a Cadillac program, and you don't have to be at the tippy top of the company in order to earn a Cadillac. It's just a smidge over halfway, and if you are staying focused and continuing to work your business, you can get there. We get our own website and our own app so we can share information from people quickly and easily right from our phones. I already told you about the amazing trips. We have fantastic company training. The training from this company is unlike anything I've ever seen. They teach us to provide value to people. They teach us to not be spammy, to not be salesy. They teach us to help people with valuable tips and tricks and things that we've learned to share it back out there so that we are being a helpful, positive, inspirational person on our social media channels or in whichever way we choose to build our business. We also get a 30% discount on all of our products, and where else can you start a business for as little as $200? The 7th reason why I love what I do, and those were the dog bells. The 7th reason why I love what I do, and I think you could love it too, is you get to change your stars. It doesn't matter who you are or what walk of life you've come from. You could be a doctor or a lawyer, a stay-at-home mom, a teacher, a business person, a retail worker, a wife, a ministry person, a journalist. It doesn't matter. This equals and levels out the playing field so that you can be as successful as you want to be with this business. So if you are looking for a way to change your stars, and I say that because of my favorite quote from one of my top 5 favorite movies, A Knight's Tale.
Someday, I'll be a knight.
A Thatcher's son? A knight? You might as well try to change the stars.
Can it be done, Father? Can a man change the stars?
Yes, William. He believes enough a man can do anything.
As his father said, you can change your stars. If you are looking to make some additional income, if you want to earn money to take trips or go on free trips, if you need to make a car payment, if you want to save for college or retirement, whatever it is for you, maybe you need some extra time. Maybe you want to stay home with your babies, or you want to just get out of your regular 9 to 5. Whatever it is, this business can be a good fit for you. You don't have to do it full time to be successful. Lots of people work this business in conjunction with their part-time or their full-time jobs, and they build it up to where they want it to be. You can build this business successfully part-time. You can't do it sometimes and be successful, but you can build it part-time and be successful to accomplish whatever it is that you want to accomplish with your life, and to hang whatever stars you want to hang for yourself and your family. So if that sounds like something that you could love to, if someone invited you to check out this video, get back to the person that invited you and get all of your questions answered. And if you came across this video on my social media or on my YouTube channel, then reach out to me or go ahead and click the link below and take my Work With Me survey. Let's connect and see if this could be a fit for you too. I hope you enjoyed the information on today's video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified every time I release new content, which is once a week. This is Daveda signing out. See you next time.